All right, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use persuasion triggers as an online coach. This is perfect if you're selling an info product or consulting services. So why should you pay attention? Now, I'm not a famous consultant. I'm not a famous coach or anything like that, but these guys are. Russell Brunson, Iman Ghazi, Alex Ramosi, you've probably heard of them. They use these persuasion tactics in their content, their sales pages, all their videos. So let's get started. So persuasion trigger number one, the law of reciprocity. Now, you've probably heard of this one before, but people feel obligated to return favors whenever they receive something of value first. You can start implementing this by giving out free value in your content, free PDFs, mini courses, anything like that. You can see Russell Brunson does this with his .com secrets book. He basically gives away the book for free. And with that, you're going to be like, holy crap, he knows what he's talking about. Let's see what else he has to do. And eventually people will end up buying. Law number two, social proof. I really shouldn't have to go over this one, but there are people that miss it, so I just wanted to throw it in there. Just pretty much show proof that whatever you're selling works. Here we have an example of Iman Ghazi's newest course. You can see he has pictures and testimonials of people making money, so showing that it works, how you can use it, just case study videos, before and afters, testimonials. Super simple, just show that it works. Now, number three is authority. You want to become an expert and build that brand as an authority figure within your niche. So how do you do this? Show results that you've achieved, show results you've achieved for others, experience and specialized knowledge, how to do this, how to solve this very specific problem, and then also just being seen in a bunch of different places. So here we see Alex Ramosi, and he's in Chris Williamson's podcast, Simon Squibb's, Daniel G, The Diary of a CEO, all these big podcasters, and he's showing up on them. So right off the bat, he seems like an authority figure. Number four is scarcity. So just pretty much FOMO for people, limited spots, time-sensitive bonuses, exclusive access. You can see Grant Cardone using a countdown to sell his 10x event tickets. Number five is commitment. So people are more likely to buy something small than they are something big. How you can use it is have free stuff that people can use and that kind of gets them started in your funnel. So this can be like school, like a $30 per month school program, WAP, same thing. You can even do like email opt-ins where they'll get a free PDF of stuff, but it just kind of gets them going in your funnel. You can see Russell Brunson does this. So you'll get a free book, then you'll end up most likely using ClickFunnels to start your business. And then once you hit those roadblocks, you're probably going to be interested in his coaching offer on how to actually grow and scale your business. Number six, loss aversion. So people are more motivated by the fear of losing something than gaining something equivalent. And to drive this point home, if I were to give you $100, how would you feel? Now, if I were to take $100, how would you feel? It'd probably suck a little bit more to lose $100. And that's exactly what we're getting across here. You can see Ramit Sethi used this in his copywriting. If you don't take action in our program, you can listen to everybody else. Go to college, get that 9 to 5, retire when you're 67. If you don't want to do that, take action now. That's pretty much it at the end of the day. Now, number seven, anchoring. You most likely see this as price anchoring, but it's a cognitive bias where people rely heavily on the first piece of information they receive when making decisions. You can see Grant Cardone use this in one of his programs. So for $30,000 of value, he's already price anchored that the value inside of that program is worth $30,000 per year, but he's selling it for $5,000 per year. So it comes across as a win to the reader when he's like, hey, I can get $30,000 worth of content, knowledge, value for only $5,000. Why not? Number eight, unity. So this one's pretty cool. This one's pretty big. People are more influenced by people they perceive to share the same values and beliefs. So one of the biggest examples of this is David Goggins. He has that elite mentality. Jocko, discipline. Grant Cardone, the 10X growth conference. Iman Ghazi, he uses this too. The elites are coming after you. He's creating a tribe, like, we need to go against the elites. Like, we can't let these elites destroy us. So he's building that kind of a tribe in a sense. Now, if you found this of value, go ahead and like this video. Let me know what else you want me to make a video on. If you want to work with me, see if we're a good fit, go ahead and schedule a strategy call there. But super simple video.